What up, y'all? So a couple videos ago we revealed the purple GT350 and then promptly took it to the shop. And then we just revealed the atomic teal Audi R8 V10 Performance FSI, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Next video, we're gonna let y'all hear for the first time the Atlantic built exhaust on this puppy, and I will tease you, it sounds absolutely amazing. But this video, we're going to pick up another freshly painted beast. I don't know if beast is not the right word. Freshly painted automobile, manual Mustang. But I welcome y'all to my garage. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. And on that note, we're gonna jump into the lift and drive 30 minutes south to Fix Auto Provo because they've absolutely done it again. Let's just close everything up. No problem. Yep. How you doing? Thank you. Have a good one. Sometimes I get killed sitting in the back seat of an Uber. Bit tight, bit cramped, usually hot, but we're here. Fix Auto Provo Mustang. Let's check it out. Now, do you guys remember what this thing looked like when I bought it? I hope you guys remember that because it was in special condition. It was very drivable, very functional. Again, we got the AC installed. It passes emissions. We fixed a couple other things. We're going to put wheels and tires on it right now promptly, but it just got out of the paint booth. It is looking splendid. Are you kidding me? This is the same car. This is the car that everybody was like, oh, why? I don't want that. Why would anybody want that car? You know what? If you don't want it, fine. Fine with me. Fine with all of us. If you don't want the car, that's fine. All it takes is one person that wants to show up, that wants this car, and it's theirs, free. You just enter Cars and Coffee, Saturday, September 6th. So this Saturday, September 6th, Cars and Coffee, here's the rule. You must be present to enter and must be present to win. So between 9 a.m. and 10:30 a.m., you can enter to win this. And then shortly after 10:30 a.m., we're gonna announce the winner. We're gonna sign the paperwork, and this is your car. And you can keep it, you can drive it, you can use it however you wish, or you can sell it. I think the value of this is probably $5,000 now.
6,000.
6,000 maybe. So
with a Burlacher hat.
Yeah, we'll throw in a Burlacher hat. That'll up the value for sure. But we got some black trim that's been done on this just as part of this paint job. So like the black trim here, it looks so much cleaner. Look at that. Even these wheels and tires aren't too bad. They shined them up, but we're gonna get new ones installed. So show up to Cars and Coffee, find the car, find us. You'll have a QR code that you use to enter to win, and then we'll announce the winner shortly after 10:30. Oh, he fired it up without warning. We did not do an exhaust because practicality. Also remember, it's got massive subwoofers in the trunk, so we didn't need an exhaust because we just bounced it as it is. It looks even better in the sun. Look at that. Fix Auto, changing the game with cars. Are you kidding me? They crushed it with the GT350. Hey, real quick, by the way, not only with the GT350 did I win Best of Paint at an official Mustang show, 152 cars. We won Best of Paint thanks to these guys. Also, my mechanic called about the GT350, the emissions thing, and they said, hey, by the way, that paint is amazing.
Awesome.
So, if you haven't seen the GT350 in person, which most of you have not because it's went properly to the shop, but when you do, admire the paint. It's spectacular, almost as spectacular as the kicks. Always fresh and always clean. Like they're always clean. It's like you don't even work. You're killing the frame. The car's behind there. Get out, get out. Look at that. Look at that. So we got to thank Fix Auto Provo, 218 Automotive, Throttle Therapy Club, and KSL have turned this car into it. Well, we got to go get Throttle Therapy Club right now and get the wheels and tires. And then it's going to be complete September 6th, this Saturday. And this puppy, she runs good. Like part of me kind of regrets actually doing the giveaway because it's that clean right now. Like, I would drive this around, no issues. I was driving around, no problems before the paint. Now, I kind of want to keep it. Or maybe I just buy another old Mustang. Maybe I buy a Fox Body or Gen 3 Viper.
Hey, don't get me started on the Viper.
Don't get
me. You bring that around me, I'll cry, please.
He's gonna cry. It's got a lot of love. Got a lot of love. You going back to work, dog?
No, I don't work.
This
all right.
Doesn't have a fridge.
See ya.
That's why he doesn't have a fridge.
They've been working on this so hard, they haven't even checked out the sound system. If you win this car, remember, your party trick, the bonus. We got these kicker, that's four big boy subs. All right. Bluetooth.
What do you jam out to when you're just by yourself?
Depends.
Please stand up. Please stand up.
Please stand up. This is 96. This is what I was doing in high school. I don't know what you were doing. We'll see y'all Saturday, and we'll meet the new owner.
Good, I'm excited.
Thanks, dude. You guys killed it. Appreciate it. Yeah, get back to work.
I'm hired again.
still want to go to Aspen, I can get 30 miles a gallon on this hog. This thing's just fine on the freeway. We're just chilling, and we are looking so dang good right now with that fresh coat of paint. Yeah, this 96 V6 manual, she's doing great. There he is, folks. Look at someone looking so cool, so chill, just hanging out in his Toyota like no big deal. Mustang, baby, what do you think?
Dude, it looks so good.
You didn't even know that was me, did you?
No, I literally
Because-
pulled up to the gas station.
yeah.
I'm like, I need gas.
Right, that's it. That's the same car.
That's
Total
insane.
transformation.
Total.
But the wheels, your wheels, dude, they're gonna be perfect.
Good old Steelies, baby.
Yeah, good old Steelies.
Do they make the sound like this?
Oh, they're
Yeah.
sturdy.
That is.
Your
that's
wheels on that, though, it's gonna look good because they did the black accents, like they painted these pieces right here. I mean, that's not bad.
Oh, even the side vent.
Yeah.
back there.
No, I mean, this just turned into something for
Can
sure.
I win?
You cannot win. But anyone you know is eligible to win. So anyone that follows you, supports you, helps you out, you're helping them out, so they should be able to win the car, right?
I would take that home right now. That's a pretty.
You haven't
sick
even
car.
heard the subs yet.
Oh,
Dude.
yeah, there's subs.
Dude, it bounces so hard. M&M on the way here. Carguyz, they're gonna mount the wheels. They're in the back of your beautiful, beautiful, just beast.
It's a
But that's
beast.
your wife's car.
Yeah, it's my wife's car.
That's
so
your wife's
she's way
car.
cooler.
Yeah,
than
yes. I mean, says the guy with the Gallardo,
Yeah, but. you
right?
know,
That ski box is kind of nice. I feel like my R8 needs a ski box. Does your Gallardo need a ski box?
It does need a ski box.
You want to be ski box bros?
I'm down.
Okay.
I'm down.
I know a guy, kind of.
Kind of?
I don't.
Oh.
I'm working on a guy.
Okay.
I'm working on a guy.
You got my hopes up.
We're
so
working on it. Disregard the corn dog and the cokes. I'm starving. Proof.
Mustang guy and a corn dog guy. Do you know how much crap I get for both of those things? Right here.
You know what? We're just the average American doing
Yeah.
American things.
God bless.
Hey, I'll follow you, bro.
Okay, see you over there.
You can hear that AC just blowing. It feels good. I tell you what, it works great. Seriously, that is so clean. It's gonna look good with these wheels on, baby. Check out that Lotus too. That blue.
Why, oh 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 why.
So these are actually some 2015 Mustang GT wheels and tires. They're fresh, they're new, they're clean. Everything we've read says these will fit on the 96. So we're gonna give it a go, see what happens, but these wheels are gonna look so much better. All right, so we're getting these on, and look at these. These are looking good already. We got Carguyz Service Center, they're here. They do everything. So they do 96 Mustangs, which are top tier. They do older Mustangs, which is like second tier. Minivans, third tier. And then there's some like Ferraris and McLarens over there, which is like, if that's your like jam, fine. They're donating their time, their labor, their skills to get these tires on for you, and they look way better already. So big shout out. You wanna say hi, Mom, hi, Dad, Amy?
Hey mom, hey dad. Hey boys. Hi.
Dude, they fit.
They fit. They do fit.
You're gonna test drive it though, right?
Look at that.
Good.
Wheels, roof rack, all that.
Did you say you can't drive manual, Braden?
No, I can. No, I said.
You can't drive manual?
Mechanically.
You can't drive
I can
manual.
drive manual.
You cannot drive manual?
I can.
Oh, sorry, I misunderstood you. Hey, you making fun of my windows, bro?
It's sick.
You got it, you know,
cringe.
it's old school. What year were you born?
2000.
Yeah, this car's older than you. We good, Braden?
We are so good.
Really?
Yeah, I never
You
doubted
did
it for a second.
I didn't doubt. Ooh, look at that dude. Ford versus Ferrari. In this one, I'm taking the Ford all day, every day. All things being equal, I mean, who wants that Ferrari, right? Check out their Instagram below. Carguyz Service Center.
Not bad.
Because we're about you today.
Yep.
We're about you and Alec. Wait, what's this hat, bro?
Dude, it's
You gave
the
me
hat.
wheels and tires, and now you're giving me hat? Where are these from?
This is from Curated Collective,
Which is what?
which was a case study for Throttle Therapy Club and what we're doing there.
Which is who donated the wheels and tires on the Mustang Throttle Therapy Club. In short, you do what?
In short, we provide merchandise, and then as a part of that, a portion of the sales go to our nonprofit, which helps provide tools and resources for men who are going through hard times, so mental health, etc.
Such as? No, that's awesome, dude. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'll take that, yeah. So link to Throttle Therapy Club is also below, and also Saturday, come check us out at the Cars and Coffee, because if you want the Mustang, or if that Mustang could help you out in any way, come check it out. We've been trying to debate on the value of that car, and we're thinking $4,000 to $6,000 is a fair.
Yeah, let's do a walk around. We got to do a walk around evaluation,
okay.
right?
Talk people through it.
Let's
Yes.
walk through this. So, as it was, as you mentioned, actually,
Yes.
this was a $3,000 car with broken AC,
Yep.
leaking steering rack,
Yep.
and a plethora of other small things, right?
Right.
It's a 30-year-old car.
Yep. And I bought $800 sound system on top
Yes,
of that.
yes, we're gonna get to that, yes.
Okay.
So now, from custom faded paint, as you would probably see from the Transformer movie, you know, custom faded.
Yes.
We have now upgraded to pristine paint, not even a rock chip, nothing.
No, it's perfect.
Perfect. Okay, so this takes it from a $3,000 car. Automatically, we're right at 4. This is at least a $2,000 paint job. We're at least 4. Okay. Now, come here. 2015 stock Mustang wheels. They don't make them like this anymore, people. This is fully forged aluminum. Yeah, they're heavy, but brand new tires. You've got good rubber on this.
Fortunately, the V6 can push those.
Oh, the V6. Spinning all day. Right there, we're at least 6.
All right, we had a request for the sound system. I told you, bro.
All right, this car's worth at least 10 grand.
I told you.
This is at least 10.
Yeah, that hits good. We got the service records.
Okay, this is at least a $15,000 car
they
now.
cared for this car. Look at that. Look at that documentation.
Hey, you don't need Kelly Blue Book. You just need the binder. $15,000 at least minimum.
15.
15.
You hear that? I mean, it just works. It just works. Yeah. Woo. Change out the Burlacher branded hat for the Throttle Therapy Foundation hat. AC works like a charm. Now, if you're looking to get this Mustang to take someone off the line, say a Jeep Wrangler, for example, I could punch it and beat that Jeep Wrangler, but that's not what this car is about. This car is about functionality and practicality. The purpose of this vehicle is to give an individual or family a little boost in life, a little pick-me-up, a little win. If you choose to keep it, it can get you from A to B if that's something that you need in your life. If you choose to sell it, it will get you some cash, as I mentioned, to pay for your mortgage, rent, groceries, whatever you need. You don't need to buy anything to enter. Again, you must be present to enter during Cars and Coffee, and entry closes at 10:30 a.m. at Cars and Coffee, and shortly after, we will announce the winner. And again, this is all done through a third-party provider to make sure everything's done legally and correctly, and the winner's going to be chosen randomly. That's why we need a few minutes after 10:30 to make sure that the process is able to choose the winner, and we can announce the winner. If you're not there, if you're not present, when we announce your name, then we're going to move on to the second person. You must be present to enter. You must be present to win. So please, if you've entered to win this car, please stick around till we announce the winner, because if it's you, you're not going to want to miss out. Now, I expect and I hope that everything will go well on Saturday, and I'd like to do something like this again. So it's already too soon to talk about what car we would donate next, but let's see how this goes. Saturday, I'm going to film the event, film the winner, so I'm pretty excited about this whole thing. Also, I should mention Saturday evening, we have roll racing with Utah Race Club. I'm going to be there, and I have been chosen to race the Tesla Plaid in the money pot. They have chosen the slowest driver in the history of YouTubers, automotive YouTubers, to race the car that is the easiest to race, so that makes sense. We're going to give the Plaid a run for the money, see if we can win the big pot. Utah Racing Club, Saturday, September 6th. I'll be there.